Fuck the haters. Where can I sell this bad boy?
The trader, but you have 10 minutes. Not even. 8.
Easy. So whereabouts did the trader didn't sell it?
Jesus Christ, are you fucking serious?
What, didn't he sell it that wee drunk guy?
Oh yeah, I thought you meant where the fuck the trader was. I was like, what the fuck? How can you not know that?
Yeah, where didn't he sell it? Come on.
Come on, man.
Didn't he go to that wee drunk guy and sell it?
Yeah. The blue circle is where the trader is.
Yeah, I know where the trader is, but where's the trader to sell it to?
It's right there at the junk shit.
Oh my god, I'm so dying. At least if I die in the trader zone, I don't die.
I hope so.
Just while I'm streaming this as well.
God.
That winter, if you want to see it, go on stream. This thing's actually pretty quick.
Yeah, it's also a quick death.
How do I join you?
You press 6 and then go to invite or no party.
6. Where shall I spawn?
Sorta, but the server's gonna restart in 5 minutes anyway.
Yeah, I'm just
And we don't have vehicles.
Should I join your team now, or will it work next time? Do you have to do it every time?
Every time.
How come you stopped playing the other one?
Oh. Rip. Rip, Kelly.
Shooting.
Rip, Kelly.
From top.
Look at his face, man. Look at his face. Well done.
It just says it all.
Well done.
It was fine.
It was fine.
I had it on the ground, but it was going too fast, I couldn't slow it down.
I don't know why I didn't get him.
Fuck's sake. Fuck it. Nothing lost, nothing gained.